Okay. Sure. Why isn't this debugged? Okay, I need to fix the modular VAT entities, is what I need to do. It's been needing to be done for quite a while, and I've been kind of putting it off because I haven't wanted to, because it's kind of a pain in the ass. Let me see where we're at. Okay, so this is annoying. It doesn't spawn like the turbo sequence manager actor if there's not like shit there. That's kind of annoying. Maybe I should just spawn one myself, honestly. Should I do that? Should I do that myself? I feel like I should just do that myself so that it doesn't like crash all the fucking time. It's like in here, right? Yeah. We're just gonna spawn actor with the class. Yeah, okay. That's easy peasy. Get world spawn actor. Yeah, just spawn it ourselves. Hopefully that won't ever happen again. And then I only have the legs added right now. Okay, and then I think he has pants on. I think he has pants on. I might want to take those off. Yeah, let's... Oh, they're not even in... Oh no, I think they just go in whatever slot they are. Okay, finally, we got here. Okay, this is what I was hoping for. What does the animation library look like now? Does that code work? We have 2 animations in there. That it doesn't seem right. Which 2 were in there? ALS idle non-added. These aren't even close to right. Does he have the wrong anim set right now? He might have the wrong anim set. What is this? Okay, so the mesh asset. Jesus Christ, there's so many fucking issues. Right, so the is valid check doesn't check the reference skeleton. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain. Reference mesh native. Why are you empty? Yeah, so his gameplay animation data. Okay, that actually makes a lot more sense. That's not how I'm doing it anymore, right? We should just be, yeah, that should just be written. Yeah, it just gets overwritten with the character race data. So we should remove that from the archetype. It should at least remove that. Remove that there, and then the race data, which he is set to ALS. What are you set to? None. Yeah, well, that would explain why none of your animations looked correct. Yeah. Okay, let's rebuild that. We're still gonna have issues though, because the fucking mesh, the turbo sequence asset is not like populated. And that's the, I want to automate that so badly, because I'll have so many assets I need to do that for. Literally every piece of gear. And I would like that to be as automatic as possible. But the code is kind of a pain to work with. It's interesting. It's complicated. Okay, what's our anim library look like? There's all my animations. Okay. So yeah, I think that the code I wrote to automatically extract all of the anims did work. So that's good. Now we don't have to worry about setting every new anim we add to the character. We don't have to worry about setting that on the asset, which is good. This is probably going to fail still, yeah. Probably going to fail still. Isn't that unfortunate? Yes, you have to rebuild the editor every time. Okay, let's look at that mesh asset now. Okay, so this is it. This is the one. Yeah, we don't have a reference mesh native. Let me... There's like a recache mesh assets. Does that do anything? No. I'll have to like rebuild this thing. Let me see if I've already edited this little control panel a little bit into a somewhat janky thing. I guess I want, we don't want the race, we want base mesh data. This is what I want there. Will your game have player-driven lore? I don't know exactly what you mean by that. Did that already set it? Yeah, that set it. Did that edit this thing? Okay, no, that's still nanite. All I did was just set the legs there. Okay. Did we remake the drive to generate the texture? Max amount of bones in all meshes. How many bones does my skeleton have? Good question. That is a good question. Is there a place I can see the number of bones? Can you open up the skeleton, maybe? How many bones do you have? Where can I see? I don't want to count all that. Maybe I can just throw a breakpoint somewhere. Show me number of bones, please. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw a breakpoint. There's got to be an array or something I can look at. I'm just gonna throw a breakpoint here. Give me another one right there. We'll figure it out. Let's see if that stops crashing now at the very least. Okay. Reference mesh native. Skeleton. Bone tree, 115. Okay, so... wow, a lot of them are deprecated. Okay, so is that even right? Okay, yeah, I think 115 is correct there. So we'll need to increase the texture size, I suppose. Okay, we're not crashing. That's good. Oh dear. Shaders are shadering. As they do. Where is our... Let's find our guy. He is right there. Theoretically, he is just a pair of legs. Oh, there he is. Oh my god, he looks terrifying. That is fucking terrifying. He was in a tree. Yeah, that is what we're working with. That is what we are working with. What? The hands. The hands. Why were the hands like that? Pivoted to a horror game. Yeah, accidental. The accidental horror pivot. I feel like I have seen that issue before. Where the hands were all like Slender Man-y. That should be using the same. When I'm up close, it should be using the same thing that I use. Set skeletal mesh from equipment. What is this? Try that again. My mouse keeps double clicking when I don't mean it to. He's also using an unretargeted animation somewhere. His torso is also getting stretched. I have the same hands. Oh no, I remember there was some other. Hey, does he have eyes? Get inside of his skin here. You guys don't think that looks... He looks nice. What do you mean? Forgot if I like turned off. Yeah, I am human male as well. But we're using the same exact stuff, should be. Is it just because he doesn't have other equipment on him? What? Okay, let me rebuild because I didn't get the right stack trace there. I'm definitely trying to get there. That's like the thing I'm heading towards. How long though? God, I don't know. Fucking while. What are you doing? Why are you crashing? Fucking turbo sequence. Stop fucking crashing all the time. I know I'm not using you like properly because the reference mesh native is not added. So am I not going to be able to boot up the project unless I change the source code? Is that the fucking deal here? I mean, one of the reasons I'm doing what I'm doing today is because it's like I've put it off for so long, like getting the actual modular turbo sequence entities working. Yeah, okay, so this is just gonna fucking continually crash. Wow, okay. Time to change that source code. But, you know, I'm not, so I won't be using the ALS characters anymore. And then I need to do a anim framework rework as well. Try out motion matching, I suppose. Maybe just do something even simpler. But yeah, after that, I mean, I have like the, you know, some base tasks working. I don't think we'll be able to see like a autonomous. What is happening right now? It keeps. You done now? No, it's still going. It keeps like validating assets. Okay, so it really fucking wants to fucking do whatever the hell this is. Can I just fucking fix this goddamn thing? No, because it's just gonna keep... There's a reference mesh there. What do you mean, brother? Oh my god, I wanna nuke it so bad. I just wanna nuke everything. We'll do this one right here. Okay, try that instead. But yeah, I don't know. Fully autonomous colony, you know, one where like the colony actually has like initiatives and stuff like that, and that you know, like an NPC ran colony. That it's probably pretty far down the road. But a player ran colony is right around the corner, I think. I think the only like part of a loop that I'm missing is like a little bit better building material, because like right now I don't even know if tree chopping works anymore, but I need to make colonists be able to chop trees. But after that, because we have construction, we have foraging so they can get food. Oh, I need to work on sleep again, but they have like sleeping and hunger states. Is it still doing the thing? Okay, so this plugin just like tries to validate every asset on startup. Is that what I'm learning here? And of course, this is like, okay, how are we getting here? So many fucking callbacks, dude. Oh my god. Which is called from within another. Okay, so it's just continuously, it's in a callback loop. Calling itself. Congratulations. Yeah, where does this all get kicked off from though? On files loaded, that sounds like it. That sounds like it. Okay, where are you like doing this repair mesh? There it is. Do we get there? If I got rid of that. Save. No, it's still just over and over. Oh, is it done? No. No, it's not. Okay, so this is just like this is, God, I need to delete all the fucking mesh assets I have. There's content. Okay. I want to delete everything out of here, but we're going to keep I guess the ALS stuff we should probably keep. Get rid of all the human mail. This mesh asset, ALS, test. Stop double clicking, mouse. I don't want you to double click. Oh my god. It's like every other click is a double click. No, 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 no. Delete all of that. Okay, so it gets all of the mesh asset files and then tries to do this repair mesh asset. What does this fucking do here? No comment. Wonderful. The way they do async stuff is like they just do callbacks to each frame, to the next frame. What is this even doing now? I don't know that I want this to even ever happen on startup. Okay, so it's just iterating through the number of LODs, the LODizzles, and just regenerating the static mesh. Unconditionally, by the way. And actually, it only does it if the static mesh is already valid. Wait, what? It does it if the static mesh is valid. I think it meant to be that. I think there's a... an issue there. Rebuild. Dude, I saw someone had a fork of this plugin that looked pretty interesting. I might try out that guy's fork in a new project or something, see how that goes. I had talked to him and he had done interpolation between anim frames on the GPU, which I wanted to work in. Okay, let's look at the turbo sequence file now. Okay, I can delete that one. The footprint I don't care about, I don't think. And then let's put this into a folder as well. Get organized here a little bit. Delete that one. New folder for human male. Okay, let's make a new mesh asset. TS HM mesh asset. Oh yeah, this I need to do one for like each. HM legs. One. Okay. Go over here. Hit double clicked again. That is getting really annoying. Just legs. Just one LOD. Generate LODs. Oh, right. Put it in there. I also hate that it doesn't actually like save them. And then this was like 115, so I'm gonna go 120. Okay, you have data, and this doesn't actually show up in the editor, which I hate. Don't lerp you either. I don't need you to rebuild navigation anytime the file system changes either. Okay, dare I click play? Well, no, I didn't wire up the asset. Yeah, so we hit that. That's fine, I think. Okay, just ending, just... Dude, I can't even clean up without this throwing a goddamn fit. And I hate that everything is static. And then there's a static instance. But that instance can be null. Also, why is this... why is this scope... Why is there just a scope here for no reason? Huh? You just created a fucking scope. We're just gonna start fixing it. Ooh. Dude, the double clicking on everything is so... My mouse, man. Everything's annoying. Why is everything being annoying? Now you just gotta like spam click. Maybe that fixes it. Anyways, I need to wire up this little mesh asset here. Yeah, that one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Why didn't that build successfully? That should have. That should have. We should get at least one of those. We don't. We don't. Oh my god, just open. Oh, is it because I put the... Okay, hang on. Click play. Oh, there he is. What animation isn't retargeted there? We should be using the same animation data. It's like when he stops and starts. I don't know, do I worry about this too fucking much? I don't know, should I do the animation system rewrite before I do this? Oh, I never crawled through this and got the anims out of here. I wonder if that's the issue. Also... Why is he stretched? Oh, you know, let's look at... He has a different animation blueprint than I do. I wonder. That's the same. That's the same as mine. Is it the movement blend space? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes. Oh, I need to change the skeleton. Yeah, that's the main part. Wait, what? Oh, I need to like change the that's just the preview. Where's like the actual... There it is. Okay, so I gotta like change it here. Yeah, replay. There we go. There we go. Okay. The fuck was that? Why did it just created? Why did Unreal Engine just create all of these animations? Wait, what the fuck is this? Wait, what? Bro, what? Why did you just do that? Did I already create all these? Am I fucking using these? These get created too? Oh my god, I hate it. I want to nuke the project, so I didn't want to open that. I double clicked. I don't want that. I don't want that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm about to go buy a new mouse right now. Bro, I can't. It keeps double clicking, dude. I just single click, please. I don't want any of these. These are all bad. Go away. I need to clean up everything. Wait, these are all being referenced. Oh no, these were the existing ones. My mouse is pretty old. So it I think it just changed the old ones. It changed the skeleton on the old one. Okay, so I think what happened, wait, what? This is in a completely different folder. Are you guys seeing this shit? This was the folder I was in. It had all those fucking animations in there. And I was like, where did all these come from? Did I make these? How are these being used? This is that same folder. I fucking changed the skeleton on a blend space. This is where all the animations actually were. It did the liberty of changing all of the skeletons on these animations. And then also put Unreal Engine in a weird state where the folder that it was in showed everything. Why? I didn't want to change the skeleton on all those. I didn't want to change the skeleton on any of them, as a matter of fact. Hang on, I'm just gonna close. We're just gonna close, don't save. I don't want any of that. I don't want any of that. I don't know why you thought that was a good idea, Tim Sweeney. To have, when you change the skeleton on a blend space, to automatically change the skeleton on every animation inside that blend space. That's not what I wanted at all. Jesus Christ, man. I do have another mouse, but I screwed up the fucking feet on it. So I guess I just need to get new feet for that mouse. Okay. So what is the preferred way to... Dude, look at this. I can't even... I'm just getting I'm getting so annoyed. Oh my god. Hang on. How bad is this other map? How bad is this other one? Oh god, it's pretty bad. Oh no. God, the feet are all... They're so bad. And I'm not really a foot guy, but... Oh yeah, it's just gonna scratch the shit out of my mouse pad. Bro, this mouse has done so well for me. I'm just gonna double click on it or everything now, huh? Today might not be my day. Yeah, so what is the the double clicking is so bad, man. I can't even like scroll and shit. Okay, but yeah, what is the preferred way of replacing the anims here? Like, I don't want to have to fucking delete all of this. And also, okay, here's an idea. I'm gonna change the skeleton here again. Yeah, it's gonna change all that. The only one I want to save is this one. And then we're gonna close everything else. Don't save. Is that gonna work like I think it does, or is it gonna fuck up my entire project? The likelihood is pretty equal of each of those things. Okay, is everything fucked up? Okay, can I do human A? Human male. Human male, one word. Okay. And I hate how many... I hate how many there are. Just walk forward. That's it. We need a pose. We need a walk forward pose too. Can't forget. Run left, backward. And we can't forget everyone's favorite. Run right backwards. Wait, undo. Where we have 2 run backwards? We have 3 run backwards. Why are there so many idle non-additives? Are these right? Okay, did that fix everything? Oh, it's still gonna use the old one though. Where do I wire that up? In the archetype, okay. We must find him. Stop. Why is the mass entity editor subsystem just like doing all sorts of shit? He's okay. Over here. There he is. Well, he's not stretched anymore, but he's still got crazy hands. Why don't I have crate? Why did my camera just go through the ground right there? Jed, welcome. You like his hands? Tell me you like my fingers, Jed. He's got no feet. He's using the right anims and everything now. So at least one issue is fixed. Dude, the double clicking. Oh my god. I don't know if I can keep streaming today. I'll be honest. I'm getting so annoyed with everything. My mouse, Jed, like keeps double clicking. And it has been infuriating. Infuriating. People of the T-pose cult forego their feet. Well, I mean, they all have feet still. This guy's the only one who doesn't have feet. Maybe you can go dog pee-pee? Yeah, well, I don't have the doggos right now. But maybe I can just go pee in the front yard. So this issue was happening before. There's something... I'm not pressing anything. I'm not pressing anything. I'm really upset. So I bought a new mouse. I used it for a while. And then I wanted to clean it. So I took the feet off to like unscrew it. And then I fucked them up in doing so. And I'm really upset. I've procrastinated on buying new feet for it. I could really use that right now. Surprised you're powering through. Yeah, I don't know. I just started the stream like an hour ago, so maybe at least want to get like 2 hours in or something, you know? Companies that put the screws behind those things are evil. Yeah, I mean, is there any company that doesn't? I feel like that's where they all go. But yeah, this hand thing, I've seen it before. It happened to my character. And then I think I forgot what the fix was. It was just like, there was like some extra joints on it or something like that on the hands mesh. But I am using the same hands mesh. Like we're both using the same base data. So maybe let me just put all the same gear on him that I have. Default equipment. Maybe it's the wood axe. Get rid of his axe. And then can I wonder if I could just copy pasta from... Copy. Pasta. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I need the plot there, actually. Get the feetsies. We're going to put the feetsies there anyway. So that when we want to add something new, it doesn't have to be all annoying. Okay. And now we have to find him because he's invisible when he's far away now. Where are you? You are hiding from me, Mr. Longfingers. I will find you. It's kind of giving me an idea for an enemy that you can't see until you're really close. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Oh dear, I pressed the wrong button. I seem to... Oh, he's literally right. I was so fucking close to finding him. He was right fucking there. Okay, so why are your fingers fucked up, my dude? Is it because you don't have hair? Or eyeballs? Maybe it's because you don't have eyeballs. My mouse swam in coffee. Oh no. 200 bucks? Dude, why is a mouse $200? That's insane. Also, where is my hair? That's chair, not hair. It has to be erase data, right? Yeah, that's all in here. Oh no, that's the ALS character. Oh wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Why is character race ALS on each of these? What do I use that for? This guy, dude, the double clicking, man, holy shit. Freddy Longfingers ain't no Freddy Krueger. Freddy Longfingers has long-standing anxiety issues and would run away if he had feet. Instead, he will just walk around aimlessly in the forest. Awkwardly around the T-pose cult. Dev loser. Hey, I feel like that too today. Welcome in. What was I gonna check? The what was that? Character race. Yeah, character race. I didn't want to have a table just called race data because that just feels weird. Character race. Oh, it's for anim overrides. Race-based animation overrides. Okay. Which I don't think I have any in. But we should definitely have that wired up properly. I know that probably is not going to make a difference. I don't think it would. Come here, Freddy Longfingers. Where are you? Where are you, sir? You are hiding from me, I see. Clever girl. I'm just trying to be as weird as fucking possible. Bro, oh no, he's pretty far away. Where the hell is that? Oh yeah, he's on the other side, okay. Dude, it keeps double clicking. I'm so upset. I heard you. Yes. Why do you have no hair, Freddy Longfingers? You have boots now. I see that you have boots. What happens if I attack you? You won't attack back, will you now? Don't be shy. Yes, walk in place as you are dead, because that is what dead people do in this universe. Yeah, why doesn't he have any fucking hair? What's going on there? It may or may not have something to do with why his fingers are so fingery. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. All right, let's break point there. Take a little peek here. Take a little peek. Jed, how was you, dude? You streamed for like 9 fucking hours and you're still here. How was the stream? Wait, where is this coming from? Okay, now pause. Oh. It's not the same. Right. Wait, where's the base mesh data? I've maxed my degenerate stat. Hey, give me some. Gotta share with the class. Can't hog it all. So, okay. Let me think here. So, my character is using... It is different. It is different. I am using the race data table. Yeah, base, and then we set the base meshes off of that. The entity just has default mesh entity data. Okay, so we want to delete that. Okay. Off of the archetype. Delete that. And then there is character race here. So in... I should probably combine these more. God, dude, oh my god, the double clicking is getting... It's too much, I can't handle it. Okay, now let's do that. Probably leftover. I've kind of been thinking, like, I handle players kind of differently than I handle my entities. And like usually most player stuff doesn't go through like a processor like entities do, because it's like, you know, oh, that's not going to happen a whole lot. But I'm like, what if I made an MMO? Well, then there's going to be a bunch of players, and I would want to handle that stuff in a processor. So maybe I should just handle them the same way. Not that I'm going to make an MMO, but like maybe it'll allow better like larger multiplayer servers if I ever get there. Play. Okay, so now it's invalid. Yeah, no, that's gonna happen. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Okay, he's to the left. Everything you want in the back of the left. I heard you. There you are. Okay, his hands look fucking normal now. Hey. He's friendly. He doesn't die. He doth not die. Yeah, my buff bar is fucking broken. Okay, so we kind of got that figured out now. Okay. Kind of got that figured out now. Now we need to do the turbo sequence stuff. So this mesh asset, why are you like invalid? You seem, your animation library. Library. Maybe that's why. Then you should be on the legs, correct? We're on the legs. I see no floating pair of legs anywhere. He's behind me. There's like one frame of anim reconciliation. I thought I fixed that. Also, why can't I interact with you, sir? I guess I can. Now, that's probably just an issue with him. I wonder if his actor class. Oh, yeah, he needs the new proxy actor. How was he? That's interesting that I was still able to interact with him. Just the UI didn't show up. Ah, there you are. There you are. Good! Dev Silver's tier. Male elf druid. Yes, go get all of the mushrooms. Good boy. Good lad. He's just invisible. We must follow the missing mushrooms. There he is. Okay, having too much fun. None of that. None of that. Okay, so let's debug. Oh boy. Oh fucking boy. Yeah, I'm not hitting that breakpoint at all, am I? No, I'm not. No, I am not. Let's look here. Look, we must look. The base meshes. Yeah, we're not actually spawning. Not actually spawning the legs. That's why here. We'll do the pants then. We must make one for the pants. Where are you? We can just do this. Sorry, it's really hard for me to click things today. Okay, make a new turbo sequence mesh asset, TS, HM. God, I have to make one of these for every single piece of fucking gear. What do I call it? Striped pants. One. I guess I just what is the actual mesh called? Not the data table row. Human male legs 5. Oh yeah, that's a beauty of a name right there. Yes, HM legs 5 mesh asset. Okay. The double click, the double click. Only want one UV, generate that. I don't want to change that to actually materialize it into the file system. I don't think I need to regenerate the texture. What we do need to do is edit this bad boy. Okay. And then we need to grab this. Can you imagine doing this for every single piece of fucking gear? I need to automate it, but I just need to learn a little bit. I need to remind myself how it works, basically. So we're just trying to like see if it works. Okay, so now we have one in here. Now we have one in here. Look at the mesh. Oh, I never wired up the animation library. That's gonna be an issue. So what do we look like now? Floating pair of pants that has no animations. Yes, good. Good. And so does this save? No. Wait a second. Oh, the breakpoint is gone. Okay. Look for a... Oh, there it is. There's the floating pair of pants. That is still not animating. That is still not animating. I don't need you to rebuild navigation every time. I don't need that. Oh, do I don't have the, do I have the material set up? I don't know if I have the material set up. I don't have the material set up. Accurate normals? Probably. Okay, something is happening now. He's got his panties in a bunch, it seems. It is animating, though. You can't deny. It's literally all in his pants just walked up the tree. Okay. Okay. Oh, it does kind of save all the animation here. Okay. So I auto-populated this one. I didn't want to have to put 63 animations in there. Okay, what else am I missing? It's nanite. The material is set up. Out of context, hearing his pants are walking up a tree. Yeah. Yeah, the trees, I just threw them in there with PCG. And for some reason, they're not affecting the nav mesh. I don't know if they're like too small or my nav mesh settings are too large, the tile sizes. So he doesn't like walk around the trees. Okay. Is this a nanite skeletal mesh? It is. Maybe let's lerp the UVs, change those back to lerpy derp. And then you lerpy derping more, and your pants are feeling more. Those don't look right, yeah. Then he just poofs into a person. What have I forgotten? What have I forgotten? Let me see if... Did I break the ALS character? Let's just throw him back in here and see what happens. He's a little messed up. Oh yeah, he's entirely messed up now. Sir? You doing alright? No? Okay. You can hang out up there if you want. Okay, come back down if you want to as well. Is that... What part of him is that? Is that his arms? Does it hurt? But yeah, he wasn't spawning either, so I think I may have fucked him up. Oh boy. Okay. Look at him dual wielding those axes like a boss. Okay, so the skeletal mesh is unlerped. Does that make a difference? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
There he is. We found him. Okay, so he still doesn't work either. Let's I guess we can't see this. Yeah, okay, so he doesn't have any valid. Tell me the Honest Warrior archetype. Tell me your race data. Okay. Character race data. Yes. Okay, so you don't have you don't have a base mesh, therefore your base mesh should probably just be that. Yes, because you do have... Right. Okay, so is that going to work now? Okay, we do get there. We do get there. There he is. Okay, so he's working fine. He seems to be working fine. Just put some sleeves on when you get a little close, but that's okay. That's all one mesh. I mean, I'm only rendering one as well. So I guess the only difference I can see is that the skeletal mesh has unlerped UVs as well. Maybe I need to re-dizzle this one. Also, hang on, let me see here. Is the reference one nanite? It is. Okay, let's see if that's the case here. Okay, that one is nanite. That is unlerped UVs. Okay. Now, where is the original? The organal. You need to unlerp those UVs as well, I believe. Stop double clicking. Right now. Oh, I didn't change. You know what? Let's spawn both. We will spawn both. Where is human male? There we go. His panties are still in a bunch. Scorcha Dragonfire. Why are your panties in a bunch? What are you doing? You guys think voxelized foliage will work on these things? That'd be just like little walking voxels. Let's take that out just in case that like makes a difference. MF turbo sequence, which I should probably have a copy of this, or at least like some sort of switch that turns that on and off and on. I don't think I'd want to do that on my regular characters. Where is the other? Oh, they're both colonists. The tree's gonna make it fucking hard to see people here. Okay, both colonists. We need human male. Human male is what I need. There we go. Nope, his pants are still just not correct. What else do I need to do here? What else do I need to do here? Oh. That's so tiny. I had that turned all the way up. I can't imagine that makes whatever number that was made a difference. No, it doesn't. Nope. Yeah, maybe I just need to rebuild it now that the things have the proper things. Characters, turbo. Yes. Okay. Don't rebuild navigation. And now you have nanite turned off. You guys both look good. Okay, now let's try. The pants are the same. Whee! Okay. I was really hoping that one was going to work. Where the fuck is this thing at? Oh, there he is. What else? What am I missing? Missing. I don't even know like what to look up here, or like where to break point, because it's all just like data, right? So it's like all just like raw anim data, so it's gonna be really hard to fucking tell if something was even wrong. Let's just look and see if it's nanite. They should both be nanite. Okay, I see some floating pants over there. That do be nanite. That do be nanite. Now, is the colonist nanite? My next question. I don't see any. You know, the bright green colonist, very easy to spot in the forest. There he is. He is also... Why does he fucking work? What did I do differently here? I wonder if I use the full body one, what would happen? Oh no, I didn't have nanite turned on. Nope. Okay. Well, fuck it. Let's just see what happens. It doesn't like that. It didn't like that at all. Okay, why did it... God, Unreal Engine is just so non-determinate. It is crazy. Like, why did it only open some of the windows that I had open? I'm so fucking confused. Fourth time's the charm to not double click. Okay, let's remake that. Okay, that one correctly has nanite. This one will need to be updated. Okay, so this is new. Okay, so this wasn't just because it wasn't nanite. What fucking actor component is this on? Niagara static mesh component. Purpose sequence manager. I thought this would have been because it wasn't nanite. Nanite is enabled, I see it. See it there. Failed to route create. Okay, so this is an issue with the Niagara renderer. Okay. Why for art thou broken? Is it because it's not registered? It says not registered. Does that actually fucking matter? Really, my materials need to be marked as able to be used with instant static meshes. What is valid checked here though? And it's checking this. Is this like being garbage collected or something? Your flags are fine. Oh no, it's garbage. It's mirrored garbage. This is garbage. What a bunch of fucking garbage. Why is it garbage though? Why is it garbage? Garbaggio. Where is your owner? Show me your owner. Owner private. Are you garbage too? No, you're transactional. Okay, time to look through the fucking turbo sequence code now. Okay, I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. Here be. Okay. Let's check and see if these work with see if this works with the ones that I know work. The ALS guy. Let's only spawn him. Is colonist warrior. Okay, yeah, those guys do work, huh? Do it a couple more times just to make sure. Also, what is taking so long on startup? I'm curious. It's like several seconds. Just a bunch of shit that has nothing to do with me. Yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff that has nothing to do with me. Okay, nothing I can do about it. Okay, I guess now change one of them back to the human male warrior, which let's maybe look at that a little bit closer now. He is not nanite. I thought I had changed that. Are you nanite? You are nanite. Okay, maybe it was. I thought I fucking tested that. Okay, still an issue. Why? Okay, so now the full body mesh is having an issue now. Okay. Morning? Good morning. It's nothing but issues for me today. I hope everyone's all right with that. Uppers are good. Where's my fucking... Okay, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Is it what is wrong with this mesh? Oh, you know, none of his materials are set up for turbo sequence either. But like that shouldn't be causing it to crash, right? You are nanite as well. Okay, what could be the fucking issue here? Okay, maybe, okay, let's try to put it back to the pants, or legs 5. Wasn't it legs 5? Yeah, legs 5. Generate LOD. I want to automate this part too. Like that's not necessary for me to choose where this goes. It's not even like in the file system. It doesn't even show up. And then I already generated a texture. I don't think I need to do that again. Okay, yeah, why are these ones all right? Turn nanite on. Now it's a floating pair of pants. That doesn't look right. Yeah, that animates all right. Okay, so what was wrong with that other mesh then? That like caused Niagara to throw an absolute fit. Oh boy. So many issues. I don't even know where to start. I think I should just rewrite it. Maybe I should start by fixing the materials on this guy, even though I don't think that that should matter. You guys see how the scroll bar? Why is the scroll bar changing? That's so weird. I don't even know what else to change here. Is it the anim library? Maybe I'll plug the blend space in there. I'm looking for a floating pair of pants. Have you seen them? Also, please stop trying to add that Niagara. Thank you. If you've seen a floating pair of pants anywhere, I seem to have lost some. It might be walking up a tree. There we go. Okay, so nothing. Okay, why don't I just bite the bullet and make all of them? I would like to know, maybe I should try and figure out why the human male isn't working. What is it? What is this fucking thing? Oh, that's the like. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Hmm. I really don't want to. I really don't want to manually do all of this. But I know last time I tried to make my own batch doer of this process and had a lot of issues there. I wonder even if I wonder if I remade the ALS asset, if that would even work. Maybe I broke the asset creation process or something. Yeah, I guess fuck it. Let's just create a bunch of turbo sequence sets. I am just going to duplicate that for each one. Head, feet, legs, arms, body is another one. Arms, body, feet, head, legs. I think that's good. Oh, I wanted to edit them individually. Not batch. No, it's not gonna let me do that. Okay. It doesn't work like other... When you select multiple and edit of other things, it'll open all of them, which is what I wanted. Oh yeah, I don't have a feet one. Then let's make sure all of these are nanited. Oh god, that's terrifying. Excuse me. Hello, sir. Dean. Welcome. Okay, I think I have all those wired up now. Okay, so now I can just go through and set all those up, I hope. Okay. Beat. Beatsies. Ed. Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, they all have data. Okay. They've all, okay, base mesh data. I didn't do his eyes. Okay. Do I ever make modular armor pieces? Yeah. I got a bunch right here. Look at them. I'm working with turbo sequence right now. I seem to have messed something up somewhere. Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting. Some of him works. Why don't his pants? Oh, and his body is misshapen. Hands look good. Hands and head look good, I think. Chest and legs. Ran up the fucking tree. Okay. I did not make them myself, no. Now I need to figure out what's so special about some of these. Oh, some of these I have wired up. Maybe that's... I should make a fucking material instance for this shit here. I paid someone. Okay, so these are set up. Tangent. They use different normals. Is it? That shouldn't matter for the world WPO though. Used with Niagara mesh particles. Does that matter? Well, I feel like the answer is no. The legs didn't show up at all. The legs didn't show up at all. They should have on his feet. It is very interesting that some of these work and some of them don't. Hands looked great. No notes. UVs are lerped on the hands. Not lerped here. They lerped here. I can't find a difference here. Actually, a lot of these have high straw detail distance at 0. These meshes are different somehow. I feel like I'd really need to dig through the turbo sequence code. Figure out what's happening. Which I don't want to do because I don't even know where to start looking. I'm also wondering if I should try it in a new clean project with a fresh, because I've edited the plugin quite a bit. Stevie, welcome. I don't even know where the fuck I would start. Why are his hands and his head are totally fine. Actually, his head is kind of being deformed in a similar manner to his chest. His legs are nowhere to be found. His panties are in a bundle. None of these have an anim library. Does that actually matter? No difference. What is the fucking animation library for? I mean, I guess if maybe one of them uses it, the animes are loaded. Yeah, I think that's probably it. If the anim library just loads the animations and stuff. I hope it doesn't duplicate. Yeah, I may need to like start a new project and just gonna work backwards. I mean, there's no way for me. I'll import these fresh into that project. Maybe I just need to re-import the meshes or something. God, that sounds like an absolute pain in the ass, though. Oh, okay. I made it 2 hours with my mouse being lame, which is also a pain in the ass. My mouse has been double clicking randomly instead of just regular clicking. Regular. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that off stream. Because I don't know, I don't feel like doing all that. It's not exciting. Not exciting. I should probably change this into material instances as well. Oh, there's so much to fucking do. Who created all this work? Well, this material is checked for the Niagara stuff. Let me. Oops, okay. I deleted whatever the fuck that one was. So you see, like, it kept double clicking right there. I had to keep. Desperately need a new mouse, but I don't like anything. I have a G502 sitting right here, but I was saying earlier, I fucked up the feet on it when I went to clean it. So I just have been in need of new feet. See, he works perfectly fine. Yeah, he's still deformed as shit. Yeah, let me look at the... Just look at all. What is used with voxels for? Nanite voxel meshes? This will result in the shaders required to support nanite voxels being compiled, which will increase shader compile time and memory usage. Oh boy. Pixel depth offset mode. You think that fucking matters? See, he works perfectly fine. He does not. That's what he's supposed to look like. He's a shell of his former self. Let's fuck him up. He's dead. And that's what dead looks like. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'm gonna try and fix this shit. Who is streaming? Who is streaming? Hyperon's rated me rested yesterday, so we're gonna send you guys over there. Hopefully he's continuing for a while. Sometimes you just have to end stream and fix it. I might not even fix it. I kind of feel like just saying fuck it today. Just like go and play games or something. I'm gonna order some new feet for my mouse so I can fix this fucking issue. Have a better, less annoying day. Hey, you guys too. Have a good weekend, everyone. Hasty, good to see you. Stevie, Andy, Processor Chaos. Take care, everyone.